In Google Docs, main content is made with tables, not text boxes. You can increase or decrease space between elements by pressing Enter to add space or backspace to remove it. Or you can do it by adjusting the font size of an empty row. For precise control, select the text, go to line and paragraph spacing, choose custom spacing, and adjust line spacing. Or you can adjust before or after spacing as needed. You can easily delete, add, or rearrange content. You can delete content by selecting it and pressing the Delete button. Then select and delete any extra space at the top. Select the text you want to move and press Ctrl+X together. Then select and delete any extra space at the top. Click where you want to place the text, then press Ctrl+V, or right-click and select Paste. Press Enter to add space, or backspace to remove space between sections. You can easily type your text to replace the existing content. You can copy and paste your info from another document. When you do this, the text keeps its original style. To fix it, select Text with the correct style, click the Format Painter icon, then select the text with the wrong style. If the text position shifts, use the top toolbar to adjust it.